So freelance writing is one of the best ways to make money online, and it's actually how I have been making most of my income from the last 2 to 3 years. And freelance writing is also awesome. I mean, you can work from anywhere in the world and you can work on your own schedule. You can realistically make 6 figures and make a ton of money on the side or full time as a freelance writer. But if there's one thing I definitely know, it's that landing your first few jobs and your first few high paying jobs can be very challenging. And this is honestly why a lot of people quit and give up way too soon when it comes to making money as a writer. So in today's video, I'm covering 5 different high paying writing jobs or resources you can use to find your next writing gig and to launch your freelance writing career. Alright guys, so we write for publications. Hopped over to my laptop, we are gonna dive right into the best writing jobs or tricks you can use to find your first client. And this first one is honestly a bit of an obvious one, but it's what has worked the best for me, and at least it's how I got my start in freelance writing. And essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the old good Google and type in write for us and then your niche. So in my case, it's personal finance.